Alright, happy birthday, America. You guys can't really see the fireworks. Cause yeah. No, sorry guys. The fireworks are like covered by the trees. And look at how beautiful they are. Can you guys see it? Look. They're so beautiful. You guys can't really see it from here because it's like in a different area. Can you turn on the lights?
You won't be able to walk see it if you turn on the light.
Guys, oh my gosh. It's popping. Look at all the colors. There's green, pink, yellow and stuff. It's beautiful. If you guys are looking at the fireworks right now, this is beautiful. You guys should really watch it. It's awesome. It's really cool. I like it too. You guys can really see it from here, right? But you can see some color in there, right? It's like super dark in here. Whoa! I love fireworks so much. Aren't the fireworks just a beauty? Right? Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Who is missing this out? Please watch this video if you haven't seen the fireworks yet. If you're far away from the fireworks, that's okay. Don't worry. Because this is the video, alright? It's good. What's up? Whoa! It's like exploding right now. It's beautiful. You guys should really see it. Extra beauty. Wait, let's try it. Sorry, guys. We'll be able to see it. Yay! It's beautiful. Guys, I'm in this room now. I forgot about the tour, yeah. Sorry, but someone's in here. I can't let you go. Alright, guys. Bye. That's half of the fire.